Okay, here we go.
Okay.
So please tell us your name, your company name, and your company's business.
My name's Tom Haylock. I'm a business development manager with Aragon. We're headquartered in Norway, and we're an engineering and EPC partner. We focus on 4 key areas: floating LNG, floating liquefaction, where we've been involved with 22 developments so far, FSRU and regas projects, so both ends of the chain for the FLNG world. We've been working in 6 developments to date, and we've covered gravity-based, floating, FRV, world-scale FSRUs there. FPSO projects, looking at conversions, new builds and redeployments for the oil and gas sector, and onshore LNG, where we're focusing on small-scale developments currently.
Okay, great. So next question, so how do you see the new liquefaction projects changing in the coming years?
In the coming years, we're seeing a trend where large baseload plants were previously the way of addressing new liquefaction, where now, because of the changing buying market, where buyers are looking to buy smaller volumes, we see mid-scale solutions to be more attractive in terms of the volumes produced. But also we found that mid-scale solutions are much simpler to execute and much more reliable in terms of achieving budgets and schedules. So the overall cost per ton of LNG is actually improved even for large-scale production when using mid-scale solutions. And then joining a mid-scale solution with an FLNG development is actually improving things even further. So we're seeing a lot of onshore projects which may be considered a single train of liquefaction, looking at shore and nearshore FLNG developments instead. And that's actually been keeping us quite busy the last few years.
Okay. Great, so here we go with another question. So, what are your predictions for LNG for the future and for small-scale LNG coming to the market?
Well, we believe small-scale LNG has great potential, as I believe a lot of people do. We're looking at marine bunkering fuel as consumers, as well as distribution and virtual pipelines. The main focus we have is on marine bunkering fuel. We have developed in-house standardized liquefaction solutions, covering 0.05 up to 0.2, 0.3 million ton, standardized designs for both onshore and barge-based, focus being very, very low capex execution, fast time to first LNG. We have proprietary technology which utilizes a nitrogen cycle, which we developed originally for large-scale FLNG developments. We've taken that and optimized and stripped out a lot to a very optimized solution for small-scale markets. So we see small-scale LNG to be growing in the future. The question is when and how fast.
Okay, and just one more question for you. So what is your opinion on the networking platform organized and on B2B meetings?
It's been very useful. We found the conference to be very interesting. We've had a lot of unexpected and interesting prospects come up thanks to the B2B meetings. So yes, our experience has been very good.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.